Good morning. Now we welcome in English Balbharti class 4. Before that, we have to remember our freedom fighters because they sacrificed their lives for the freedom of our country. डॉक्टर बाबासाहेब आंबेडकर, शहीद भगत सिंह, लोकमान्य टिळक, महात्मा गांधी, Jawaharlal Nehru, Lala Lajpat Rai. All these freedom fighters, many more are there. All these freedom fighters who sacrificed their lives for the freedom of our country. Let's see one of them, a great freedom fighter as a great leader. See, was he? Mahatma Gandhi. Today we are going to learn our chapter number 8, a great leader. Let's start the reading. Mahatma Gandhi was one of the greatest leaders of the world. Other leaders win wars by hurting others and killing them. Mahatma Gandhi did not use any arms and weapons like guns, rifles, or bombs. And yet he won the war of India's independence. People lovingly called him Bapu or Bapuji, father of nation. See, now in this paragraph, Mahatma Gandhi was a great leader in the world and none of the leaders won war in the way of Mahatma Gandhi. So what was the difference between Mahatma Gandhi and other leaders? See here, Mahatma Gandhi never hurt anyone and nor kill anyone to win his battle. Neither he used any arms or any rifles, bombs. He won his war in for the Indian independence, and therefore people of India lovingly call him Bapu or Bapuji, which means father of the nation. People love his nature of peacefulness. Gandhiji before Gandhiji was a iron man. He if he decided to do something, he did it, no matter how difficult it was. One day, he decided simple clothes that he would have an early morning prayer every day. From that day onwards, he never missed the prayer. See, now here in the second paragraph, we come to know Gandhiji's another quality, that iron will. Now what is the meaning of iron will? It means strong determination. If he will decided to do something, then he definitely did it, no matter that how difficult it was. Once he decided to get up early in the morning and say his morning prayers. After he always follow that, he always follow what was he decided. He decided and never miss his morning prayer. It means when he decided to start to say the morning prayers, then after that he always follow this rule and never miss this rule. Okay, so we have to also follow the one kind of Gandhiji. What is that? When we decide to do something, we have to definitely do with without forget. Okay, now next passage. Gandhiji gave a lot of importance to truth, simplicity, and non-violence. That is, not hurting others, Gandhiji dress was very simple, just a loin cloth, a dhoti worn above the knees, and sometimes a shawl. Could he not afford fancy fashionable clothes? Of course he could. But this simple loin cloth was a deliberate choice. How did he come to make this choice? See, now here Gandhiji gave a lot of importance to the virtues like as truth, simplicity and non-violence. He always spoke truth. He was a simple person. He always loved peace and silence, that he did not want to hurt others. Mahatma Gandhi dressed very simplicity. He followed the simplicity. He wore the simple loin cloth. Loin cloth means simple piece of clothes wrap of his simple dhoti and with the shawl. See, was it that he was poor? No. And he could not wear a fancy dress, fashionable clothes, good clothes. He could, but he did not eat deliberate. Deliberate means what? For the purpose. Now, why did he choose to wear simple clothes? Let's see in the next paragraph. It means he follow to wear a simple clothes. Why? We have to understood that in the next paragraph. Once Gandhiji was on a lecture tour in Orissa. Usually, men and women gathered in the large number to listen to him in Odisha. However, women were not seen at these public meetings or lectures. On making inquiries, Gandhiji found that the people in the part of country were so poor that their women folk had not a decent things to wear. Therefore, they kept away from public functions. Gandhiji was deeply pained to hear this. From that day, he decided to wear the bare minimum of clothes, be it cold or hot. He never changed his dress. See what happened, that why was Gandhiji wear a simple clothes? There is the reason in this paragraph. See, now here once Gandhiji went to the tour for a meeting to place called a Odisha. See, Odisha is the state eastern part of India. Now, whenever he went for the meeting, their men and women gathered in the large number to listen to him. But here in the place of India's eastern parts that we call Odisha, Gandhiji note is that in Odisha there no woman for the meeting, and he inquire means what? He found out that when he asked to the people in Odisha, then he come to know they were very poor. That's why women did not have any good clothes to wear, so that they kept away women from the public in the functions as well as programs. He felt very bad on that day when he listened that in the people of Orissa who was very poor and they did not have enough clothes to wear. So that's why they kept women inside the house. That on that day Gandhiji was feel very bad for the people of Odisha. Now he decided to wear bare minimum clothes. Bare means what? The least cloth that is needed to cover your body. And after that it was cold or hot, he never changed his clothes. It means from that time when he listened that Odisha's people was very poor and they didn't have to wear enough clothes. So from that time Gandhiji decided to wear bare clothes. Bare means minimum clothes to cover your body, and from that day he decided to wear that clothes. He never changed his clothes in his life. Now next, see the next. Once he had gone to England to attend a very important conference. King George of England gave a reception to the participants of the conference at his palace. People received by the king have to dress up in a certain way at that time. England ruled over India. See, now my dear, here what we come to know that Gandhiji was supposed to go to England to attend a very important conference. Now conference means what? A large formal meeting. People discuss that important matter or the subject. Now Gandhiji had to go to the England in the English King George who receiving the participants means the people who attend the meeting. The king received people to have dress up in a particular way. For example, in our school also we arrange the meeting for the parents. So parents also follow the particular dress for the meeting. As like same way in the England conference, all people follow the particular dress code for the meeting, and all people have receiving by the King of England. The name of king was George. See, people in the England wanted to know if Gandhiji would change the style of his dress to see the king. Gandhiji made it very clear that he would be dressed in his usual way. Even when visiting the King of England, he would wear the dress of people whom he represent. Gandhiji was not bothered by the style of dress the British approve of, so long as the poor people in his country did not have enough clothes to wear. See, now here people in the England very excited for what? That now what kind of Gandhiji dress or what kind of dress Gandhiji wear for attend the conference. People thought that Gandhiji should change his dress to see the king of the England, but Gandhiji made it very clear to all the people that he would be dressed in his usual way. Usual means in a simple clothes like as a dhoti and shawl, that the king received him in his simple clothes. The King of England, George, who receiving Gandhiji in his simple usual clothes. Now the Gandhiji himself not bother means not worried what style of dress that British approve. He represent the India's poor people in the conference and were living in the country of India. They did not have enough clothes to wear, so he went with a simple clothes he usually war. It means Gandhiji represent in the England conference that the people of India would not enough clothes to wear because they was very poor. So how Gandhiji was change their clothes, right? Now see next. Finally, the king had to welcome at his reception this great man dressed up in a simple loin cloth and a shawl. The king himself was dressed quite extravagantly. Gandhiji was asked whether he had enough clothes on for meeting with the king. He replied that the king had enough clothes on for both them. Millions of people, poor people in India felt very happy that Mahatma Gandhi dressed like them. See, now here the king had to receive Mahatma Gandhi with the simple clothes. What he wear? He wore that the simple lion cloth and with his shawl. The king wore clothes that cost of very extravagantly. Extravagantly means very costly. When Gandhiji was asked whether he would have enough clothes on the meeting, then Gandhiji replied that the king also have enough clothes for both of them. All people who live in India who was very happy for the dressing of the simplicity of Mahatma Gandhi. All people from India very happy that Mahatma Gandhi dressed in a simple way like as a poor people. See, he followed the rules that the people who was very poor and they didn't have to wear the clothes. So that's why in the England conference Gandhiji wore his simple dress code. Now next, although Mahatma Gandhi did not use any the way Gandhiji destructive weapons, he had millions of staunch dress for the rest followers. Gandhiji show all the suppressed people in the world the new path of Satyagraha. He is of his life remembered for his greatness not only in India but in all part of world. See, now here Gandhiji did not use any destruction weapons. Destructive means what? The weapons that destroy like bombs. It means destructive weapons. He always follow the peace, non-violence. So he had the millions of staunch followers. Staunch means many people who follow a loyal man. Many people love Mahatma Gandhi. So that's why they all call them as a Bapu. Bapu it means the father of nation. Now Gandhiji thought that to word a new thought that fight for their battle, that a new path he taught to all people, that is Satyagraha. Satyagraha means fight with the peacefully and silently. It means Gandhiji started new path for the people which is related with the peacefulness and silenceness. What is our opinion that follow by this way? He is always remembered for his greatness all over India as well as in the world also. Not only in India but also a part of world. The people respect for the his work and the greatness. Therefore, Gandhiji rightly called as the father of nation, Bapuji. Yes, we all know that we celebrate Mahatma Gandhi Jayanti, Mahatma Gandhi death anniversary as the great work he did it for our country. I hope did you understood the lesson. You have to read the lesson and find out the hard words. Okay, let's see in the next lecture. Thank you.